comes to alert level 2 area, especially now coming with Christmas season. To repeat the question of Sir Asher, I think he's asking about yung alert level 2 protocol for provinces that were identified in this class, especially now in the upcoming Christmas and holiday season.
So you're asking what would be our advice to alert level 2 areas. So ang alert level 2 areas natin, ito po yung mga lugar na medyo may pagkataas po ang kanilang kaso, kaya po sila ay nasa alert level 2 area. Ngayon dito sa alert level 2 area, nakakaunti na rin lamang naman 32 provinces ay urbanized cities and independent component cities. Sa alert level 2, ang ating po mga restrictions are existent and still being implemented. So, ibig sabihin, pag alert level 2 ka, kailangan ipatupad mo 50% ka lang kapag indoor, 70% kapag outdoor. Pag alert level 2 ka, bawal pa rin yung mga activities such as the casinos, such as yung mga cockfighting, bawal pa rin po yan sa alert level 2 area. So, dito po sa alert level 2 area,